In this section, we're going to discuss briefly how to apply for a job as a bookkeeper slash accountant. One of the things I cannot stress enough as being someone who's interviewed dozens of candidates for various positions in finance departments, you should have good credit. More and more companies are delving into candidates' past financial states and judging a candidate by their credit rating. Can they handle their own finances? If they can't, how can they handle a multi-million-dollar company's finances? And that's a legitimate inquiry. So if you have bad credit, work on it. If you do not know your credit, look into it, see what it is. If it needs improving, improve it. Another thing that you would want to have when looking for a job in finance is experience. People do not want someone who has no experience dealing with their money. It's in bookkeeping and accounting, people are putting a lot of trust in you. They want to know that you can handle it, that you have the ethics to deal with their money and their funds in an appropriate manner. So if you do not have experience, work free for a charity. Maybe you have a family member who has a business. You can volunteer to do bookkeeping in the summer or season period of time, but you do want experience. If you do not have any, volunteer. There's plenty of organizations that can use someone for dealing with tax services. Volunteer Income Tax Service is one of them. It's run by the IRS. Now, in this particular chapter, we're going to discuss using Craigslist in the location of New York. To look for bookkeeping jobs. So we'll look in Craigslist, New York. Select Craigslist. And we'll go to Jobs, Accounting, and Finance. Now you'll see here there's quite a bit of jobs in bookkeeping and accounting. It's a good field to be in. Every business needs someone to do the books. But how do you filter down and select jobs that you're experienced for? Say you have experience using Peachtree Accounting. You could search by Peachtree Accounting. And you'll see these jobs that have been filtered down to. And you'll see bookkeeper needed. And you'll see we are seeking a highly motivated self-starter, organized individual who has at least 3 years of experience using Peachtree accounting software. So basically, you localize all the job searches by ones that have Peachtree accounting in the post. And to reply to this particular ad, you would click on this blue highlighted item. Say you have experience as a biller. You've done some billing for your uncle's store and you want to get into the accounting department through that way. Work yourself up. So you can put biller and have all jobs that have billing in the entire post. You could also localize it by search by title only, which would be biller would be in the title of the post. And you see here's all the jobs for billers. You could also localize it by area, in particular for New York, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, Staten Island. And Craigslist is pretty much available in all the 50 states and has various locations that you could filter it down to. So wherever you're living, Craigslist can be a useful tool for finding a job in bookkeeping.